Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech and Gadget Reviews. If you're tired of slow typing, squeaky keys, or keyboards that just don't feel right under your fingers, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 12 best mechanical keyboards for typing that will elevate your typing experience to a whole new level. From RGB lighting to compact wireless designs, we've tested them all for comfort, responsiveness, and style. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Redragon RGB Mechanical Keyboard. The Redragon RGB Mechanical Keyboard is a solid choice for anyone seeking durability and performance. With its full RGB backlighting, every key shines with vibrant colors, making typing at night visually satisfying. Its tactile switches provide satisfying feedback for every keystroke, which is perfect for long typing sessions or gaming marathons. The keyboard also comes with programmable keys, allowing you to create shortcuts that save time and boost productivity. Its ergonomic design with adjustable height makes it comfortable for extended use. Plus, the anti-ghosting feature ensures each key press registers accurately, even when you type rapidly. Lightweight yet sturdy, the Redragon keyboard balances performance and aesthetics flawlessly. For those who love a mechanical feel with a splash of color, this keyboard is hard to beat. TriMode RGB Mechanical Keyboard. The TriMode RGB Mechanical Keyboard offers versatility like no other. It supports wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless connections, so you can easily switch between multiple devices without missing a beat. Its tactile mechanical switches provide satisfying feedback and fast response, ideal for typing efficiency. The full RGB backlight allows you to customize your setup with endless lighting effects, perfect for late-night typing sessions. The keyboard is compact but still includes all the essential keys, making it portable yet functional. With programmable macros and dedicated multimedia keys, it's perfect for streamlining your workflow. Durable and stylish, the TriMode RGB Mechanical Keyboard is ideal for anyone who wants convenience, speed, and flair in one package. Smart Display Mechanical Keyboard. The Smart Display Mechanical Keyboard is designed to merge functionality and innovation. It features a small built-in display that can show system stats, notifications, or even custom graphics while you type. Its mechanical switches provide tactile precision and smooth typing experience, making long hours at the desk enjoyable. RGB backlighting adds a vibrant touch, with multiple modes to suit your mood or setup. The keyboard supports both wired and wireless connectivity, making it versatile for home or office use. Compact yet fully functional, it balances aesthetics and practicality beautifully. With durable keycaps and a solid frame, the Smart Display Mechanical Keyboard is a stylish and smart addition for anyone serious about typing performance. Typewriter Retro Mechanical Keyboard. The Typewriter Retro Mechanical Keyboard brings nostalgic charm to modern typing. Its classic design mimics vintage typewriters, yet it incorporates high-quality mechanical switches for a smooth, tactile feel. Every keystroke delivers a satisfying click, making typing a joy rather than a chore. This keyboard also supports customizable RGB backlighting, blending retro style with modern tech. Its robust build ensures longevity, while the ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue during extended typing sessions. Compatible with multiple devices, it easily connects via wired or wireless modes. Whether you're a writer, programmer, or casual typist, the Typewriter Retro Mechanical Keyboard offers a unique, stylish, and comfortable typing experience that stands out on any desk. Compact RGB Mechanical Keyboard. The Compact RGB Mechanical Keyboard is perfect for minimalists who want maximum performance. Despite its small footprint, it packs all the essentials into a neat, portable design. Mechanical switches provide crisp, tactile feedback, making every keystroke satisfying. Its full RGB backlighting offers countless color combinations and lighting effects, so you can personalize your setup to match your mood. The keyboard is built with durability in mind, featuring high-quality keycaps and a sturdy frame. Its compact size makes it ideal for tight desk spaces, travel, or gaming on the go. Lightweight yet solid, the compact RGB mechanical keyboard proves that smaller keyboards can still deliver big performance and a stylish typing experience. K673 PRO RGB Keyboard. The K673 PRO RGB Keyboard is a powerhouse for typists and gamers alike. Featuring high-precision mechanical switches, it delivers fast, tactile responses for an accurate typing experience. Its full RGB lighting allows you to create custom themes, sync with other devices, or enjoy pre-programmed modes. This keyboard supports both wired and wireless connections, making it versatile for any workspace. Anti-ghosting ensures that every key press registers, even during rapid typing or multi-key combinations. The keyboard's ergonomic build with adjustable height keeps your wrists comfortable for long hours. Durable, stylish, and responsive, the K673 PRO RGB Keyboard combines aesthetics and functionality, making it a fantastic option for anyone serious about typing and productivity. R65 Compact RGB Keyboard. The R65 Compact RGB Keyboard is all about efficiency and style in a small package. Its mechanical switches deliver crisp, tactile feedback, ideal for fast typing or gaming. Despite its compact size, the keyboard retains essential keys and supports multiple layouts for convenience. RGB backlighting adds customizable flair with dynamic effects to enhance your workspace or gaming setup. Lightweight yet durable, the R65 is easy to carry without sacrificing performance. Its anti-ghosting technology ensures accurate key registration even during rapid typing. Whether you need a sleek desk setup or a portable keyboard for on-the-go use, the R65 Compact RGB Keyboard offers a satisfying mechanical typing experience with customizable style. TH108 RGB Mechanical Keyboard. The TH108 RGB Mechanical Keyboard is designed for precision and comfort. With tactile mechanical switches, each keystroke feels responsive and satisfying. Its full RGB lighting system allows endless customization with bright, vibrant colors. The keyboard supports multiple connection modes, including wired and wireless, making it versatile for any setup. Dedicated multimedia keys let you control music and volume easily without interrupting your workflow. The TH108 is built with high-quality materials for durability, ensuring it withstands long hours of intense typing. Its ergonomic layout keeps hands and wrists comfortable, while anti-ghosting guarantees every key press is registered accurately. Ideal for both work and play, the TH108 RGB Mechanical Keyboard is a reliable and stylish choice. Triple Mode RGB Keyboard. The Triple Mode RGB Keyboard offers unmatched flexibility with wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless modes. Mechanical switches provide tactile feedback that is satisfying for typing or gaming. Its compact yet full-featured layout ensures you have access to essential keys without cluttering your desk. RGB backlighting delivers vibrant color options with customizable lighting effects to enhance your setup. The keyboard includes programmable macros and media keys, boosting efficiency during work or gaming. Durable and ergonomic, it's built to handle intense typing sessions comfortably. Whether you're switching between multiple devices or need a stylish and functional keyboard, the Triple Mode RGB Keyboard provides a perfect balance of performance, convenience, and visual appeal. F99 TriMode RGB Keyboard. The F99 TriMode RGB Keyboard combines versatility and modern design for an exceptional typing experience. It supports wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless connections, making it easy to switch between devices seamlessly. Mechanical switches deliver satisfying tactile feedback and high-speed response, ideal for fast typists or gamers. Its RGB backlighting offers endless customization with vibrant colors and effects to match your workspace or mood. Compact and lightweight, the F99 doesn't compromise on performance or essential keys. Anti-ghosting technology ensures accuracy during intense typing sessions. Built with durability and ergonomics in mind, this keyboard balances style, comfort, and functionality perfectly, making it a top choice for anyone looking for a high-performance mechanical keyboard.
Creamy Gasket RGB Keyboard. The Creamy Gasket RGB Keyboard is a premium option for anyone who values comfort and typing precision. Its gasket-mounted mechanical switches reduce typing fatigue while delivering tactile and responsive feedback. RGB backlighting is fully customizable, allowing you to match your workspace with endless lighting patterns. The keyboard is designed to be quiet yet satisfying, perfect for shared workspaces or late-night typing. Its build quality is exceptional, with durable keycaps and a solid frame for long-lasting use. Ergonomic features include adjustable height and a comfortable wrist angle. Whether you're working, gaming, or streaming, the Creamy Gasket RGB Keyboard provides a smooth, satisfying, and stylish typing experience that enhances productivity and comfort. K2 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. The K2 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard is a compact, versatile, and stylish option for modern typists. It features mechanical switches that provide precise, tactile feedback for comfortable and efficient typing. Supporting Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless connections, it allows easy pairing with multiple devices. Its RGB backlighting brings a customizable and visually appealing touch to your desk setup. Despite its small form factor, the keyboard is ergonomic, lightweight, and portable, making it ideal for home, office, or on-the-go use. Anti-ghosting technology ensures every keystroke registers accurately, even during rapid typing. Combining performance, portability, and aesthetics, the K2 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard is a reliable choice for anyone seeking a high-quality wireless mechanical typing experience.
And that wraps up our list of the top 12 best mechanical keyboards for typing. Each of these keyboards has something unique, whether it's RGB lighting, compact design, wireless convenience, or nostalgic style. I hope this guide helps you pick the perfect keyboard to boost your productivity and typing comfort. Don't forget, if you want to check prices, specs, or buy any of these keyboards, click the links in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe to Tech and Gadget Reviews for more amazing product insights and top picks.